Hey, just a quick video from Life Pillars team. Today is a very special day for us. Today marks 1 year of Life Pillars. So, what have we achieved for this past year? Well, let's start by saying that the number of subscribers increased. We have posted 26 videos so far, and more are coming, of course. Then, we have made our official Instagram page, where we gained 100 followers, and the number is increasing. Also, as for YouTube, we quickly switched from animation to video animation concept, and the sound quality got a bit better. The most importantly, we made amazing friendships and done our first collaboration. But why are we saying all of this? We are not saying this to brag, because this is not a huge progress. But the most important is that progress is being made, and we are saying all of this in order to inspire someone to start their own journey, whatever it may be in life. Never be afraid to try something that you are passionate about. You may never know in what direction it may go. Lastly, we want to thank all of you for being part of this family and for watching our videos. We are so grateful for each and every one of you, and we wish that God give you everything you seek for in life. More stuff coming soon. Your Life Pillars team.